Hi folks, today I'm here to talk you through some keyboard shortcuts for your Chromebook. So my absolute favorite is to open a new tab with Control-T, but if you ever move too quickly and you accidentally close a tab that you need or something that you want to revisit, hit Control-Shift-T to reopen a previously closed tab. Here's another tip that is absolutely vital, especially when working in Canvas. In Canvas, there isn't an undo button. So instead of struggling or retyping, if you delete something, hit Control-Z to undo the previous action. Also on your Canvas page or on any website, if you hit Control-F, you can quickly search and find specific words in a document. So when you hit Control-F, this little bar will pop up in the upper right corner and you'll be able to find a keyword with ease. If you're looking to make your Chromebook a little bigger or a little smaller, remember our new devices are touchscreen, so you can do that manually by touching the screen, or you can hit Control- or Control+, which is located in the upper right corner of your keyboard to make things bigger or smaller. One of my favorite keys, which you may or may not have noticed yet, is Control-Shift. It's the window key. If you want to take a partial screenshot, you can press those three buttons together. Your screen will go gray like it is right now, and you'll be able to take part of a screenshot. If you want to screenshot the entire screen, just hit Control Windows and you'll be able to take a direct screenshot of your screen. There are so many different shortcuts to play around with. Those are just a few of my favorites that I find myself using every day. So if you want to find more shortcuts, hit Control-Alt and the question mark, and this pop-up box will show up and you'll be able to explore more shortcuts and more ways to save you time.